Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got our 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you would reinstall your door lock actuator. So this is the whole door lock actuator unit. You've got 3 cables that come off on it. You're going to have to find this cable to start with that comes off the back here, and this mounts up next to this side of the door. Okay, so we have that cable, and we have the actuator oriented so that as if it was sitting in there, because we need this cable to connect to this piece before we put it in. It goes up from the front here, and then you just put the little ball in there, pull this down, and clamp that into place. And then you can take this and you're going to feed it up in here. So we're taking this piece from the inside. I'm going to line up the tabs here, and then slide it forward. And as it sits there, then you're going to take this piece. As you snap these 2 clips in that side, it will hold it in, and then we've got another one that goes up here when you put the door handle back in. So that's all we need to do at the current moment, and then we'll go ahead and put the rest of the door lock actuator in, and then we'll go over this portion. Okay, so you want to take your door lock actuator. We have our orientation. Be put in and placed right there. Now we've got this wire, we're going to want to get it so it comes down and makes a loop and goes around, and then these 2 cushions can lay against the metal there. We get it lined up over here. We've got our T30 bolts that need to go in. We have our 3 T30 bolts that are in here and lined up, and they taper, so as you tighten one, it'll line up everything where it needs to be. So that's the install of that door lock actuator piece there. This last thing is on this back side. We got to connect this electrical connector back up until it snaps in. And then you've got that one metal piece that you got to put back onto the door handle once you put the door handle back in. And then these will go up here. And this electric stuff goes up at the top there also. So that's how you reinstall the door lock actuator on your 2019 Nissan Sentra.